Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Okay, children, in last session, what we have discussed? We are discussing about the grammar topic tenses. Right? Let's revise our previous class and let's go continue our topic. See, tense. How many tenses we are having? 3. What are they, children? Present, past, future, isn't it? And each tense subdivided into how many parts? 4 parts. What are they? Simple, continuous, perfect, continuous. Okay, yesterday I have given homework on this only, children. That means you have to apply these 4 parts to these 3. Okay, totally we will get 4 tenses. Okay, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Okay, most of you did the homework and sent to me, children. Very good. Now, next what we have learned? We have learned about the verbs, isn't it? Verbs will play the main role in the tenses. Okay, to change the tense, we have to change the verb form. Yes or no? We have to change the verb form to change the tense. Now, verbs are divided into how many parts? 2. Mainly 2 parts. What are they? Main verbs, auxiliary or helping verbs. Okay, yesterday I have told you that I'll send in WhatsApp these auxiliary, but I forgotten, children. You please write down now. Okay, helping verbs. Write down: is, are, am, was, were, have, has, had, been, may, might, must, will, would, can, could, shall, should, need to, dare to, ought to, being, yam. Okay, totally we will get 24, children. Once again read: is, are, am already repeated, no? Okay, do, did. See, children, now totally 24 we will get. These are the helping verbs. Now main verbs, what I have told? The main actions, isn't it? Okay, yesterday I told cooked, talk, dance. Okay, again these main verbs are subdivided into 2 parts, children. Okay, verbs divided into 2 parts and main verbs subdivided into 2 parts. What are they is regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, regular verbs and irregular verbs. See, children, here first how we will know those verbs are regular and irregular. See, each verb will have the 4 forms. Each verb will have the four forms, that are V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, again I am telling V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, now see here, for example, one noun I am taking, that is cook. Okay, we have to write the root word in the V1 form. We have to write the root word in the V1 form. Okay, cook. Next one, past form. Okay, next form is past form. For past tense, what we will add? Ed. We will add ed like this. Okay, cook, cooked. Next one, past participle. Next one, past participle. Again past only, cooked. And next one, present participle. Next one, present participle. V4 means V1 plus ing. V4 means what, children? V4 we can simply write V1 plus ing. That means for V1 we have to add ing. Simply write here V1, cook, plus ing, cooking. Okay, now did you got root form? That means present tense and past tense, past participle, present participle. Again I will write one more, children. See here, present, present V1, past V2, past participle, past participle V3, present participle, present participle, that is V4. Okay, see here, first we have already written cook, cook, cooked, cooked, cooking. Okay, remember V4 means V1 plus ing. Simply we have to add ing for the root word. Okay, now write one more. Okay, that means talk, talk, talked, talked, talk plus ing, talking. Okay, talk plus ing, talking. Now children, these are the regular verbs. Regular verbs will get the V2 and V3 forms. Just simply we will add ed to the verb. Okay, one more verb, tell me. That means yesterday in examples we have seen. Play. Not play, not watching. Yes, run. Now see, run. R-U-N, run. Now for past tense, shall I write run and rayocha? No. What I have to write? Ran. Ran. See, now you can see the difference. Ran. Here ran I am writing, and past participle we will write run only, and here running. See, run, ran, run, running. Here talk, talked, talked, talking. Next one more. You are telling watch. Watch. After that we will write eat. Okay, watch. 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 Watch is not a noun. Okay, watch అనేది హ్యాండ్ పెట్టుకునే వాచ్ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈజ్ నౌన్. దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ యాక్షన్. వాచ్ మీన్స్ వాచింగ్, చూడటాన్ని వాచింగ్ అని అంటాం. ఓకే, వాచ్, వాచ్డ్, వాచ్డ్. Here root word plus ing, watching. Okay, now next one, eat. Shall I write eated?
8.
Shall I write eated? No. Ate. Ate. Eaten. Eating. Okay, see children again. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. See now, first one and third one are getting ed in V2 and V3 form. But second one and fourth one are changing the words itself. Right. Like this, if you are adding ed in V2 and V3 form, those verbs can be called as regular verbs. V2 ఫామ్లో V3 ఫామ్లో వర్బ్స్కి ఈడి అనేవి యాడ్ చేస్తే వాటిని రెగ్యులర్ REGULAR regular verbs. If the word is changing, see here one more thing, in these verbs V2 and V3 ఫామ్లో ఏ లెటర్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి అంటే vowels will change. Do you know vowels? How many vowels we are having? 5. How many vowels we are having? 5. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. 4 vowels we are having. These vowels will internally change in the V2 and V3 forms of the verb. Okay? In which form? V2 form and V3 form. Okay, see here. Here we got U. And here we replace that U with A. Okay, U is a vowel and A also is an vowel. See EAT. Here we have changed the vowels AE. Here also we have added one more vowel. Okay, these vowels will internally change in the irregular verbs. Now did you got children? Yes. Okay, present tense, past participle, present participle. 4 forms are there for the each verb. Okay, if the verb is getting ed, if we are adding ed, sometimes we will add only d. Okay, d add chestam okkosari, ed kuda add chestam. Okay, like that if you are adding that noun, that verb can be called as regular verb. If you are changing the vowels internally in that word, it can be called as irregular verb. Some words are there children, some verbs are there which will not get any change in it. Okay, V2, V3 forms lo change ava, only V4 form lo change avutadi. Like put we cannot write putted. We cannot write, just we will say putting. And cut, we should not say cutted is wrong word. Okay, cut. And hit. Okay, hitting. Okay, not hitted word is not there. Like those, some verbs are there. These verbs can be called as identical verbs. What? Identical verbs. Okay, now okay, identical verbs. Okay, verbs are divided into mainly 2 parts, main verbs and auxiliary verbs. And main verbs subdivided into 2 parts, regular verbs and irregular verbs. And some verbs are there which will not change in V2 and V3 forms. Those can be called as identical verbs. See children, now today what you will do is, you have to write 10 verbs. Okay, you have to choose 10 verbs and you have to write the 4 forms of the verbs. ఓకే, ఒక 10 వర్బ్స్ తీసుకోండి, దానికి టేబుల్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ద వర్బ్ షుడ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ రెగ్యులర్ అండ్ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ ఆల్సో. నో నీడ్ ఐడెంటికల్ వర్బ్స్ని యాడ్ చేయక్కర్లేదు, బట్ రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ కూడా యాడ్ చేసి ఒక 10 వర్బ్స్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఏ table with present, past participle, present participle. Okay, V1, V2, V3, and V4 also. Okay, that is your homework. Do it, children. Thank you.